Well, welcome back. After our whirlwind tour of the Badlands, both Teddy Roosevelt and the Badlands National Park, we headed east back towards home. Left Belvedere, South Dakota at a nice KOA. Drove for 475 miles to Dilworth, Minnesota, where we spent the night in a Walmart. We then made it 380 miles over to Berglund, Michigan, on the shores of Lake Gogebic. Here's some scenes along the way. Well, we're driving through South Dakota. Of course, we had to stop to see the Corn Palace. Let's see what this is about. The bottom's brick, but it looks like there is a bunch of corn incorporated into it. Oh, you can see all the corn. Colored corn cobs. It must be made out of the stalks. Oh, I see. It's a basketball courts. A bunch of products for sale down here. I don't know if they're all corn related or not. Well, we made it just south of Duluth, Minnesota. Across the bridge there is Superior, Wisconsin. I imagine we'll be on that here shortly. And after that, then we're in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. So somewhere around Ironwood, we'll stop for the night and then complete our journey down to Traverse City tomorrow and visit some friends and family. So far it's been a great trip. Well, we stopped for the evening. We left, where the heck did we leave? We left, wait a minute. Oh, we left at KOA, right?
Yes.
Okay, we left the KOA east of the Badlands. I can't remember the town. Well, anyway, we made it over to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, just east of Ironwood, and we found the Berglund Township Park right here in the north shores of Lake Gogebic. That's perfect. $15 a night, $90 a week. So we're gonna walk into town and see if we can find a local pub. This guy told us where it was. It says about 5 blocks away. So
we were in Belvedere.
Okay, Belvedere, South Dakota. So we've come 400 and few odd miles and found this little gem. This is all right.
And snowmobiles have to go
15 mile an hour for snowmobiles. Okay. Lake Gogebic. I think that's the way you pronounce it. Big deep lake up here in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Supposedly great walleye fishing. After spending an enjoyable evening in Berglund, Michigan, we packed up and headed over to Traverse City, seeing the Mackinac Bridge, the Big Mac, and Straits of Mackinac along the way. We spent the night with Dennis and Sheila in Traverse City, then headed out the next day over to Sleeping Bear Dunes, and then on to my brother Keith's place in Mesick. We missed Ron and Dustin, but were able to see Charlie and Kim. Made it to Traverse City. Dennis and Sheila.
Hi.
Amanda. They're taking us down to the Boardman River. And you say this has all been redone?
All been redone.
Bridge 2, all that.
Used to be a dam there, and they took the dam out, and then they opened this all up, and it goes all the way into the bay, into the Grand Traverse Bay.
And now it's a public space and a walk,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Very nice.
And and on the other side you can't see it. There's a path on either side of the river now. And they go into other paths and go for miles, you know. It's all connected.
And people are all the time doing stuff like, say, that those rocks right back there too. They'll do that on their own accord. Just put up a little, you know, so it doesn't flow.
Well, Dennis and Sheila brought us out here to Northport. Christmas Cove, I believe is the name of this little beach. And Lake Michigan out here. Just look at the water, just clear. And we're out looking for Petoskey stones. If we find one, I'll include it. But it's a little breezy out here today, but just beautiful weather. Hi. Hi. Oh, we left Dennis and Sheila at Traverse City, and we're on the way. We thought we'd stop by the Sleeping Bear Sand Dunes National Seashore. I'm gonna climb some dunes here. Whew. Well, that was a hell of a climb. And there's still more to go if you want to. Maybe I can make it up to that point and see what's beyond there. But that's a lot of sand. Pretty lake. I think that's Glen Lake. When I catch my breath, we'll continue on. Well, you get up to the top and they just keep going. Lot of sand. Some little pond down there, and then out onto the harbor or lake. Well, we left Dennis and Sheila in Traverse City and made it down to Keith's property. Spending a couple days here, and then we're over to Steve's for the fishing. A big fishing, walleye fishing family get together. So, sure gonna miss this place. We left Mystic and headed over to my brother Steve's in Caseville for a week of fishing. I know we're gonna have a great time doing that. Here's a few Michigan farm scenes along the way. See you soon.